What's up, guys? It's Tanielle. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you aren't new here, welcome back. This channel is all about microlocks, specifically microlocks on fine low density hair, which is what I have. I'm about almost a year locked. I have 512 locks that were professionally installed. Today, I thought it would be super cool. I've been planning this video for a long time, but I was like, oh my gosh, it's gonna be so much work. But I'm doing it for y'all. I thought I might try out some popular styles that I've seen on like Instagram Reels and TikToks on my hair, which is not nearly as full. These will be hairstyles that I've seen from Kiki J and Kendrick and Shay. And I'm gonna do like 4 or 5 different ones. And I'll put a side by side of what theirs ended up looking like and what mine ended up looking like. So the first one I'm gonna start with is flat twist. So she did, you guys remember back from like the early 2000s where you did like flat twists that stopped in the middle? I used to do like the braids, the twist, all that like protein gel. Anyway, I already did one twist. So I'm gonna go ahead and flat twist the rest of my hair. And then I'm gonna play around with it and see how it's gonna look as far as the fullness of everything versus hers. Flat twist across the front. Of course, I use these little bobby pins instead of using, I think she used like clear hair ties. This is what the back looks like. It's kind of flat a little bit, but what she did after that was pull this part up into a ponytail. So we're gonna see what it looks like if I pull it up into a ponytail at the top and kind of like spread it out. So this is the part where I feel like there's a fail coming on. Let me run this around here a couple times. And I probably could take these bobby pins out once it's there. But anyway, you know what? I ain't mad at it. I don't know. I was about to be like, oh, well, it's me. My hair is not thick enough. But this is kind of cute, though. I mean, I wear this to school tomorrow. My college students are going to be like, Miss Price, now what you done to your hair, girl? That's cute. So I think I'm going to leave this in. 1 point for Kiki J, 1 point for the fine low density girls, and I think she got this style from Kendra. So anyway, so if you think about trying some of those styles on TikTok, I'm gonna make this a short video. Y'all let me know what y'all think. So this was the flat twist style and the little ponytail at the top, and here's the back of it. We got the curls bouncing and popping. But I don't know, this will turn out cute. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below about this twisted in the front style that I got from Kendrick and Shay and Kiki J. All right, bye y'all. Stop. If you reached this part of the video, then you have reached the part where I am going to plug myself a little bit. If you don't already know, I am starting a Locked Mama shop. It is going to be hosted on Etsy. It is going to be coming out on February the 28th. I'm going to be having a lot of different products to help you protect your locks, and my signature product is something that's handmade by me, which is a satin headrest cover. So please look out for that. If you haven't already, sign up for my email list. I appreciate you being a subscriber. If you are subscribed, please like and share videos that I make if that you appreciate them, if they help inspire you. I hope that I am a big inspiration for girls out there with micro locks that aren't all thick and luscious, but they're fine and luscious. So anyways, bye mamas.